There are many unavoidable realities of life, and stress is one of them. But not just any stress, we're talking about oxidative stress. This happens when too many unstable molecules, called free radicals, attack your cells. Your body naturally makes some of these during metabolism. But with pollution, junk food, alcohol, smoking, bad sleep, and too much sun, free radicals pile up, and that can damage your cells and even your DNA. Over time, this leads to inflammation and serious diseases. But here's the good news. Your body has a defense system, and it starts with antioxidants. One delicious way to fight oxidative stress is by eating antioxidant-rich fruits. So here are 6 of the best antioxidant-packed fruits to add to your diet right now. Number 1, blueberries. Antioxidant powerhouse blueberries may be small, but they're loaded with antioxidants, up to 9 millimoles per 100 grams. Their deep blue skin holds anthocyanins, powerful compounds that fight inflammation, boost brain health, and support your heart. A sweet way to start your day? Try blueberry baked oatmeal. 2 pomegranate, ruby red shield. Crack open a pomegranate and you'll find juicy red seeds rich in punicalagon. Just 100 grams gives you 9 millimoles of antioxidants. These super seeds help lower inflammation and may protect against obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. 3 tart cherries. Sweet sleep booster. Tart cherries offer 7 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams and come with major perks. Thanks to polyphenols and melatonin, they reduce inflammation, improve sleep, ease arthritis pain, and help manage blood pressure. 4 blackberries. Nature's anti-inflammatory. Each 100 gram serving of blackberries delivers 6 millimoles of antioxidants. Their power comes from anthocyanins and terpenoids, which help block inflammation tied to chronic disease. 5 goji berries, vision and vitality. Boost goji berries provide 4 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams, fueled by zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that supports eye health. They also help boost your immune system and may slow signs of aging, all in a sweet, tangy bite. 6 raspberries. Sweet defense berries. Raspberries offer 4 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams, with help from vitamin C, anthocyanins, and L-argitannins. These compounds help fight off oxidative stress and reduce your risk of diseases like cancer. The bottom line, antioxidants are your body's natural defense squad, fighting inflammation, protecting cells, and reducing disease risk. While berries like blueberries, pomegranates, and goji berries shine brightest, remember, a balanced diet full of colorful fruits, veggies, nuts, and legumes is the real power move for lifelong health.